So, dear student, today I will discuss Aldol condensation. Aldol condensation reaction. Aldol condensation reaction. This is one of the important condensation reaction. The name itself indicate the product obtained is consisting aldehyde group as well as alcoholic group. Now, the thing to remember as far as aldol condensation is that which carbonyl compound will undergo aldol condensation. Any carbonyl compound, say for example C double O carbonyl compound, any carbonyl compound having alpha hydrogen, there should be alpha carbon, and on the alpha carbon there should be at least one hydrogen. So those carbonyl compound, it may be aldehyde, say for example acetaldehyde, or take for example acetone. Acetone is nothing but again carbonyl compound and is also consisting of, you can say, alpha hydrogen. So the carbonyl compound containing alpha hydrogen, at least there should be alpha hydrogen. These compounds, these carbonyl compounds undergo aldol condensation. Take that is aldehyde consisting of aldehyde or ketone consisting of this alpha hydrogen, which is made to react with dilute alkali. If it is made to react with dilute alkali, say for example sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. So they undergo self condensation. So one of the hydrogen, one more molecule you can take here, one more molecule, say CS3, then C double bond O and H. Say this is acetaldehyde, this is also acetaldehyde, and the reaction is carried out in the presence of dilute alkali. So they undergo self-condensation. One of the hydrogen from alpha hydrogen of one molecule will be shifted to this one and result in the formation of CS3, C double bond, C, H, CH, and then H already present, and here from here there is one hydrogen shifted there, so it remains CH2, C double bond O, and then H. So these two carbonyl compound acetaldehyde consisting alpha hydrogen made to react with dilute alkali and result in the formation of beta hydroxy compound. Beta hydroxy, this is nothing but alpha beta hydroxy compound. Why these are called as aldol? Because it contain aldehyde group as well as alcoholic group, and this is nothing but you can say aldol condensation. And the name of this compound is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 3 hydroxy butanol. This is 3 hydroxy butanol. Butanol. Okay, 3 hydroxy butanol. Al, aldehyde is there. Aldehyde and alcohol. So 3, because this becomes hydroxy and this is aldehyde, so it will be called a butanol, 3 hydroxybutanol. This is just an example of aldol condensation. Similarly, suppose if you take even acetone, in case of acetone, CS3, C double bond O, and then CS3, and then one more, we can say carbonyl compound, that acetone, that is C double bond O and CS3, and the reaction is carried out in the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide or dilute alkali. So one of the hydrogen from this will be shifted to this one and result in the formation of beta hydroxy compound here, COH, and then CS3 we can represent here like this, and here one hydrogen is gone, one valence will become free, so this CH, it becomes CH2, then C double bond O, and this will be CS3. In fact, it should be called as ketol. It will be called as ketol because it is consisting of ketonic group and alcoholic group. It will be called as ketol, but in general, it will be pronounced as aldol condensation. So, what is aldol condensation? Means carbonyl compound which contains at least one alpha hydrogen on reacting with the dilute sodium hydroxide. They undergo self condensation to form beta hydroxy compound, and these beta hydroxy compound generally referred as aldol. I have given two examples. One is of acetaldehyde and one is of, you can say, acetone. Sometime we'll take two different carbonyl compound. Say one is acetone, one is acetaldehyde. In such case, it will be called as cross aldol condensation. Cross aldol condensation. Cross aldol condensation. Why it will be called as cross aldol condensation? Because two different, we can say, compounds are taken, two different carbon compounds are taken. One maybe you can say ketone, one may be aldehyde, but condition is that they should consist of, you can say, at least one alpha hydrogen. They also undergo condensation, and that will also called as uh, aldol condensation, but it will be generally referred as aldol condensation. Thank you.